Hi, this is the video. And today, this is the dead standard desk fan, the ST16PB 1998. This is the cover. This is the dead standard desk fan. This is by the way, this is the round CBC over here. And then this is the Hanabishi windmill 16 Hanabishi classic CA16BF that replaced the standard O. And then this thing, this the the dead standard is D16PB vintage 1998. This is the cut cut the wire is using. Oh my god, this is the dead standard. This is but then this the Matsushita over here, and then this the dead Panasonic Airport is TP ME70 2024, and then this standard is D16BB in 1998. This old, very old. And then this the three fans in the house, this the Panasonic dead airport is and 3D turbo power, and the Hanabishi windmill 18SF, the replacing the Panasonic F45SB. And then this the standard has died, this dead. Yeah, so dead standard. And then thanks for watching and meeting. Bye.